So this is our yet another day at the camp, and this is our kitchen. We are getting prepared for breakfast. Here is Aunt Caritas Leah preparing for campers breakfast. Aunt, have you added some milk?
Yes.
Great. Yes, she has also cooked some drinking water. Yeah. This is how it looked like today. Other volunteers have gone to shower, others are different areas. So this is our local stove. We have not yet set it on fire, but it's ready. Thank you.